guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Irma. Today's video we're going to be doing some homemaking, as in a little bit of cleaning, laundry that needs to be put away, picking up the rest of the house, and also redecorating our kitchen. And then I also have a fun DIY wall that we're going to be decorating in today's video. So as you can tell, I went ahead and started off here in my bedroom. So it is pretty an early morning still. The kids are still asleep. It's like the first day of summer vacation for them. So we're just going to go ahead and quickly start making the bed before the kids start waking up. And like I mentioned, I do have laundry I need to put away. So I'm just going to start off by fixing my bed. While the kids were on vacation, now that they started, I did take a week off of work and started painting our master bedroom, just like the brown walls. You can see the brown caramel color right here in the back of me. So I did end up painting that. I still kept my black wall as the main accent wall because I really like my black wall, but my room has changed so much with just the simple paint color. And I just want to say thanks to my friend Shauna Lakel for inspiring me, because she's been doing a lot of remodeling and painting and everything over in her master suite. So I figured it was time for me to get motivated too and also paint mine. So my bed is now done. I turned off the night lights or the side stand lights, and then we're just going to go ahead and quickly open up the curtain to get some nice sunlight. As you can tell, it's still pretty gloomy kind of looking outside since it is super early. It's still like 6:30ish around here right now when I'm doing this part of our room. And then I'm just gonna quickly do some laundry, and then after that we jump into the living room. I'm gonna go ahead and wake up the house over here towards the main area, which is opening the curtains in the window. And then I do have a new furniture piece also that I want to share with you guys after we pick up everything that's on our sofa section. So Jayla loves to play here, and the kids are always lunging on the sofa and everything. And sometimes before bed we don't fix the pillows and stuff, so I always have to do that in the mornings if I wake up before them, or else they'll go ahead and do it if they are awake before I am. So I'm just gonna fix the throw blanket and fluff up my pillows on the sofa, and then I have a couple stuff here on the coffee table that I have to pick up. Last night, Jayla was playing with these magnetic tiles and she was building something. So I'm just going to go ahead and put away the extra tiles that were laying around. And I'm not going to take apart her little building she has here, because I know most likely she's going to add more to it. So I'm just going to put the extra ones away, as well as the little paper that has like different designs. And we're going to go ahead and just leave that box on the bottom instead of storing it where it actually belongs at. And I'm just going to go ahead and slide it away to kind of like fix it with my basket on the table as well. And now it's time to fix this area. So if you guys have seen before, in my last video I shared that I had that little seat here, but the boys have a habit of always taking it, so this spot was always so bare. But I found this one on Facebook Marketplace. This little sofa is so comfortable. Like, you guys will not imagine how comfortable this little sofa is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it here. I love the sage green color. If you guys know me, you guys know I am very attracted to that sage green color. For quite, like, I'm gonna say almost 2 years, I've been incorporating that into my home a lot. And we're gonna go ahead and just dress it up a little bit, make it a little extra more cozy with this cute little beige color throw blanket. And then of course, for the pop of summer, we did add the yellow pillow here. And I just love the vintagey vibe of this little sectional or little seating chair. The person that was giving it away on Facebook Marketplace actually said that her mom used to sit in this seat and just read tons of stories to all the grandkids whenever they were over visiting. She had this one and another one was like more on the blue side, but I just love this green one and it just fits perfectly fine in our home. But after this, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the entryway. So if you can see the wall on the right here is the little DIY I've done. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys have already saw how I decorated this space and everything. So we did have the boys' box springs that we were pulling apart. And I had mentioned to my husband before that I wanted to do one of these on a wall, or this wall here in the entrance, which also leads to our dining room. So when he was taking it apart, he's all like, well, you know the sizes of the wood that you need to go buy at Lowe's. He goes, it's the same sizes that are here in this box spring. If you want to go ahead and use that. He goes, but they do have like bangs and dinges and holes and just like a little distress look. And I'm all like, well, that's even better. It's like perfect, because if you guys know me, I'm really into like vintage European style decor which is like a little mix of new and olds and moderns and stuff like that. So I was like, it's gonna work perfect. So also to add the sage color into our dining room, I painted it sage, and I just bought a wallpaper off of Amazon. I did do a little poll on my Instagram stories and had you guys help me pick one out. So this is the one that was like the top pick. And then I just went ahead and added all of my cutting boards at first. Then I'm just adding like my cookbooks and then these little plates just for display. I didn't do it all the way up to the wall because I didn't want it super tall, but I could just imagine myself decorating this for the fall and then decorating for Christmas, and there's like so many endless ways to decorate this. I am just so excited with this new piece here in our home. But I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking for now and just let you guys enjoy this.
This is the most wonderful time of the year, where families gathered in joy to celebrate hope with prayers and cheers for the birth of a sweet
Okay, so another thing I mentioned also over on my Instagram, if you guys are not following me there, my handle is in the description box so you guys could go, because I share like everything ahead of time, is our pantry. If you guys know, my pantry is not in the kitchen because we don't have a big kitchen, so I have it in the nearest hallway closet, which is this huge space that I have here, which I'm so happy and grateful to have it. But in the summertime, it does get really hot in this pantry closet that we have. So what I decided to doing for my bread won't be going moldy so fast, because it was like going moldy like in less than 2 days. So I went ahead and removed the double doors and added just the drop cloth curtains here, and I like the way it looks. My husband probably thought I was weird or something, and probably many people when I posted it on Instagram were kind of like, okay, why are you doing this? Why are you taking off the doors? I did save the doors in the garage, don't worry, in case I get tired of it. But I really like the curtain there. I feel like I want to go for a more checkered sage with white color print on my pantry doors, but for now I'm loving the drop cloth ones. Plus it's easier because the whole pantry is getting the air in there, and like before we were leaving the doors open, but it was blocking like the entrance to my bedroom and also to the kids' bathroom. So keeping the doors open to the pantry was not working out, and the curtains are working a lot more better. Plus I'm saving money with my bread not going moldy, since being in the pantry and with the California heats that we get, we're literally like already in triple digits, so you guys can understand that. But moving back onto the kitchen, you guys saw me unload the dishwasher real quickly there, and now we're gonna go ahead and wipe off the counters and start styling. Sometimes I'm in the mood for a very minimal, light and airy decor. Sometimes I'm in the mood of something more warm, or sometimes in the mood for something more cozy, warm, kind of like cluttered, more something like that, more is less kind of vibe. So that's what we're going to be doing over here. I do like to switch around my decor in my kitchen very often, since it's like something I see more often and will get bored of, and like try and decide how I want to tweak stuff and all of that. So that's what we're just going to be working on here in the kitchen for now.
Be your getaway driver if you provide the wheel. I'll stand in the line of fire if you just tell me how it feels when we kiss, when we touch. How does it make you feel? 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 Yes, I'll be your getaway driver if you provide the wheels. Yeah, I'll stand in the line of fire if you just tell me how it feels. I'll be your getaway driver. I'll be your getaway driver. When we kiss.
So I recently purchased some mason jars off of Walmart. I will link them down up below for you guys if you guys are interested, but I'm gonna go ahead and use these to just display like my oats, and then what I'm gonna do like our dried chili peppers, because I do use those a lot as well. Then I'm gonna do brown sugar, rice, and pancake flour for easy grabs here in the kitchen. And I don't know, I just feel like with all of this in here, it just gives it more like a cozy kitchen vibe, which was something I'm aiming for. It's just something that shouts like, okay, you're always in the kitchen cooking and baking and all of that. Plus our kitchen is a very used kitchen, although a lot of people say it looks like it could be like magazines or not lived in home or kitchen and all of that, but our home is really well lived in, and we always have something going around here in the kitchen, of course. So that's why I'm just going to go ahead and add these things here for easy grabs instead of having to walk all the way to the pantry. So I'm just going to add a couple items here that I use the most.
힘이 되어줄게. 내일의 희망을 노래할 수 있게. Link your arms to mine. Heart to heart we try to be each other's light forever. Oh, may no lies be denied. Let our children smile. Don't be afraid. You're not alone. 깊게 패인 상처. Yeah.
Now it's time to go ahead and start playing with the jars and seeing how we're going to display them. I did purchase, I think, like 5 or 6 jars. So I'm just trying to see which ones I want to keep here on the counter with all the decor and stuff like that. But I do end up leaving 2 of them here on the counter at the end. You guys will see that. And then the other 3, I do display them inside my open cabinets. That's actually to the left of this area where we're working at. But we're just going to go ahead and work with the items we have. Then bring in like pops of color with some fruits and all of that. But I hope you guys are enjoying today's video. If you guys are, don't forget to click the subscribe button for so that you guys don't miss out in more of my videos like this. And don't forget to give this video a like, because it lets YouTube and myself know that you guys enjoy watching content like this.
Link your arms to mine, heart to heart we try to be each other's light.
So here I'm just going to add the bow that has our oranges and the other tray that has our apples. The tray that has our apples, I actually got it at Marshall's on sale. I can't remember how much it was, like very inexpensive, less than $10. But I felt like it wasn't grounding well. So I went ahead and brought out one of my huge cutting boards, and I went ahead and added the items on there. And I just feel like cutting boards and trays and stuff like that just ground the items together and make it look fixed. Plus also to the brown board on my white countertops just brings in more of that warmth. And I just loved how this kitchen turned out. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be sharing all of the afters of our kitchen with you guys, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.
You've got me questioning my position. Am I just filling out? Taking space, not with as much grace. Am I a second choice of all the not Rolls Royce?